Alright, now we are doing a Blu-ray unboxing of Doctor Who, the complete David Tennant collection. Here is the front. Okay. Here is the spine. Here is the back. If you want to read any of that, you can pause the video. Okay. And then here is the other spine. Comes out in 2 discs like this. There's complete David Tennant series 2, 3, and then here's the series 4 plus specials. Okay, so here is the front. Here is the spine. Here is the back. Remember, if you want to read any of this, you can just pause the video. Okay. And here is disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and there is obviously, as you can tell, there's no artwork behind any of these. So, okay, and now we're gonna do the series 4 and the specials. Here's the front. Here is the spine. Here is the back. Remember, if you want to read any of this, you can just pause the video. Okay, here we go. There's disc 1. There's disc 2. There's disc 3. There's disc 4. There's disc 1 for the specials. There's disc 2 for the specials. Oops. Okay, and then here is the specials disc 3. Doctor Who Confidential. And then here is the specials disc 4. I believe this is the animated series. Alright, and as you can see, there's no artwork behind it. There's no artwork behind this one. Alright, that was the unboxing of Doctor Who, the complete David Tennant collection. If you guys enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so then you get notified when I upload more content. Alright, have a good day, everyone.